Are you ready to discover the most overlooked hunting performers of 2025? Whispers like air, but smashes hogs like lightning. These powerful yet surprisingly quiet hunting options are taking the spotlight this year, and most hunters have no idea just how effective they really are. Whether you're chasing accuracy, knockdown power, or simply looking for something that outperforms expectations, this list will shock you. Stay tuned, because one of these will absolutely change the way you think about hunting in 2025. Number 5. 7.62 by 39 mm. A timeless choice that delivers a gentle whisper of a report while packing the punch needed to drop tough feral hogs with authority. Born from military roots, this cartridge has evolved into a favorite for hunters who value affordability and dependability in the field. Picture yourself in the dim light of dawn, stalking through thick brush where hogs root and charge without warning. The 7.62 x 39 mm shines here, offering a balance of power and control that makes it ideal for quick, ethical shots on these resilient animals. Ammo is everywhere and budget-friendly, making it perfect for extended hunts without breaking the bank. In 2025, with rising hog populations straining farms and forests, this round's proven track record continues to make it a go-to for both new and seasoned hunters. Loaded with soft-point bullets, it expands reliably on impact, creating wide wound channels that stop hogs fast and minimize tracking time. Whether you're using an AR-style rifle or a classic semi-auto, the 7.622 QX 39 mm adapts seamlessly, whispering through the air like a secret before smashing into its target like bottled lightning. Hunters praise its versatility across various terrains, from open fields to dense woodlands, where its trajectory holds steady out to 200 yards. It's not flashy, but in the heat of a hog hunt, reliability trumps all. This cartridge embodies the spirit of practical hunting gear, simple, effective, and always ready when the moment strikes. As hogs grow bolder in rural areas, choosing the 7.62 with 39 mm means you're equipped with a tool that's as unassuming as it is unstoppable, turning whispers into decisive victories every time. Pro's affordable and widely available ammo keeps costs low for frequent hunts. Mild recoil allows for faster follow-up shots on moving hogs. Proven stopping power with good expansion for ethical kills up to 200 yards. Works well in semi-auto rifles for quick handling in close quarters. Cons: ballistic drop-off beyond 200 yards limits long-range accuracy. Heavier bullets can lead to more felt recoil in lighter rifles, less flat trajectory compared to modern precision rounds. Ammo variety is good, but leans towards surplus stock, which may vary in quality. Number 4. 308 Winchester, the powerhouse that whispers with authority and crushes hogs like thunder in 2025. When it comes to tackling the largest and toughest hogs, the 308 Winchester emerges as a commanding force that starts with a hushed report but unleashes devastating energy on impact, making it a top pick for serious hunters in 2025. This classic cartridge, with its roots in precision shooting, delivers consistent performance that turns challenging hunts into clean successes. Imagine navigating rugged terrain where massive boars lurk, their thick hides and shoulders demanding a round with deep penetration. The 308 excels, driving heavy bullets straight through vital zones to anchor hogs instantly, even at extended ranges. Its flat trajectory and high energy retention make it forgiving for shots from 100 to 300 yards, ideal for spot-and-stalk scenarios in varied landscapes. Hunters love how it pairs with bolt-action rifles for accuracy or semi-autos for speed, offering versatility that matches any hunting style. In today's world of invasive hog surges, the 308's ability to handle big game ensures humane harvests without waste. Soft point or bonded loads expand just right, creating massive internal damage while holding together for bone-breaking hits. Recoil is manageable with proper technique, allowing sustained shooting during night hunts with suppressors. This round's reputation for reliability spans decades, and in 2025 it's still the benchmark for power without excess. It whispers through the barrel like a calm breath, but on target it smashes like a bolt from the blue, dropping hogs where they stand. For those facing trophy-sized threats to crops and livestock, the 308 Winchester is more than ammo. It's a trusted ally that empowers hunters to protect and provide effectively. Pros: excellent penetration and energy for taking down large hogs at longer ranges. Wide ammo selection, including premium hunting loads for consistent performance. Flat shooting trajectory reduces holdover adjustments in the field. Versatile across rifle platforms, from lightweight scouts to heavy-duty rigs. Cons: Higher recoil can fatigue shooters during extended sessions. More expensive ammo compared to smaller calibers. Overkill for smaller hogs, potentially causing more meat damage. Heavier rifles often needed to tame recoil effectively. Number 3. 6.5 Grendel. The 6.5 Grendel cartridge redefines efficiency in hog hunting, offering a soft-spoken launch that belies its laser-like precision and rapid energy transfer, making it a standout for discerning hunters this year. Designed for AR platforms, it bridges the gap between lightweight carry and serious knockdown power, perfect for mobile pursuits in hog-infested woods. Envision threading through undergrowth, lining up a shot on a wary boar at 250 yards. The Grendel's sleek bullets cut the air quietly before expanding dramatically on tough hides. Its low recoil keeps your sights steady for multiple engagements, while superior ballistics outshine traditional intermediates. In 2025, as thermal optics become standard, this round's accuracy shines, enabling clean head or heart shots that end threats swiftly. Hunters rave about its mild manners, allowing all-day comfort without shoulder punishment. Polymer-tipped bullets mushroom reliably, maximizing tissue damage while minimizing runner risks. This cartridge thrives in semi-auto setups, feeding smoothly from standard magazines for high-volume control work. It's a whisper in flight, but lightning on arrival, transforming elusive hogs into quick harvests. For eco-conscious hunters battling overpopulation, the 6.5 Grendel's ethical performance reduces suffering and wasted effort. Affordable to shoot and easy to reload, it fits modern lifestyles where precision meets practicality. Pros: superior long-range accuracy with flat trajectory up to 300 yards. Low recoil for comfortable rapid shooting in AR-15s. Efficient energy delivery for clean kills on medium to large hogs. Good ammo availability with options for hunting-specific loads. Cons: slightly higher cost than common plinking rounds. Requires dedicated magazines or bolt for optimal function. Less stopping power on the biggest bores compared to larger calibers. Barrel life shorter under heavy use due to higher pressures. Number 2. 350 Legend, the straight shooting secret that drops hogs. Swiftly and silently in 2025. Step into 2025 hog hunts with the .350 Legend, a modern marvel that murmurs from the muzzle yet delivers a thunderous blow to feral swine, earning its spot as a hunter's efficient ally. This straight-walled powerhouse was crafted for stateside compliance, but quickly proved its mettle in the field, blending speed and simplicity for brush country battles. Think of slipping through cattails at close range, where a charging hog demands instant stopping power. The Legend's heavy bullets plow deep, expanding wide to halt advances cold. Its subsonic potential pairs beautifully with cans, keeping your position hidden while the impact echoes finality. Low recoil means steady hands for young or recoil-sensitive shooters, opening the sport to more participants. In an era of booming hog numbers, this round's reliability shines, with factory loads tuned for thick-skinned targets. Hunters appreciate its AR compatibility without modifications, turning familiar platforms into hog stoppers overnight. It flies true to 150 yards, ideal for most encounters, and its design minimizes meat loss on table fare. A true whisper in motion, it smashes like a sudden storm, ensuring ethical outcomes every pull. Versatile for deer too, it maximizes rifle investments. As populations explode, the 350 Legend stands ready, affordable, and approachable. Pros: legal in straight-wall states with strong short-range performance. Very low recoil for all-day shooting comfort. Excellent terminal ballistics for quick, humane hog drops. Easy integration into AR-15s with no major changes needed. Cons: limited effective range beyond 200 yards due to drop. Ammo selection still growing, mostly from one major maker. Subsonic loads rare, reducing suppressor versatility. Heavier bullets slow it down faster than bottleneck designs. Number 1. 300 AAC Blackout, the ultimate stealth striker that whispers death to hogs in 2025. Crowning our list, the 300 AAC Blackout reigns supreme for hog domination, whispering subsonically before unleashing lightning-fast devastation on invasive pests this season. Tailored for tactical versatility, it excels in suppressed ARs, turning night hunts into silent symphonies of success. Visualize a moonlit stand, hogs grunting, unaware the Blackout's heavy subloads cycle flawlessly, delivering suppressed shots that drop them unaware. Its dual supersonic-subsonic nature adapts to any scenario, from close-quarters chaos to deliberate placements. Minimal recoil ensures pinpoint follow-ups, vital against sounders. In 2025's tech-driven hunts, it syncs perfectly with suppressors and thermals for undetectable operation. Hunters flock to its proven expansion on hogs, where bullets fragment just right for massive shock. Affordable and ubiquitous, it fits every budget while outperforming peers in stealth. This round embodies the title's essence: air-like subtlety, masking bolt-like fury, making hogs vanish without a trace. Ethical, effective, and endlessly adaptable, it's the pinnacle for controlling threats humanely. Pros: outstanding suppressed performance for quiet, low-disturbance hunts. Versatile supersonic, subsonic loads for varied ranges. High energy on target for reliable hog stops under 150 yards. Uses standard AR-15 magazines and bolts seamlessly. Cons: subsonic power drops off quicker at distance. Ammo pressure than 5.56 equivalents. Overpenetration risk in dense areas without proper bullets. Barrel twist rate specific for best results.